Hello all. In this question we are given a right angled triangle ABC in which angle BAC is 90 degrees, side AB is length C, side AC is length B, and side BC is length A. We are also given that there is a perpendicular AD which drops from the vertex A onto the side BC, and so angle ADC is 90 degrees. And the length of the perpendicular is P. Now we have to prove that 1 over P square is equal to 1 over B square plus 1 over C square. And we are going to prove that using two methods. Now let us assume that BD is X. So DC becomes A minus X. In the triangle ABD, angle ADB is 90 degrees. So P square is equal to C square minus X square, right? According to Pythagoras Theorem. Similarly, in the right angled triangle ADC, angle ADC is 90 degrees. So P square is equal to B square minus A minus X whole square, also according to Pythagoras Theorem. Let us label this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So from 1 and 2 we see that C square minus X square is equal to B square minus A minus X whole square, or C square minus X square is equal to B square minus A square plus X square minus 2AX, which implies C square minus X square is equal to B square minus A square minus X square plus 2AX. We can cancel minus X square on both the sides, so we are left with C square is equal to B square minus A square plus 2AX. We can also write this as C square is equal to minus A square minus B square plus 2AX. But note that in the right angled triangle ABC, angle BAC is 90 degrees. So according to Pythagoras theorem, A square minus B square is equal to C square. Substitute the value of A square minus B square for C square right there. So this equation then becomes C square is equal to minus C square plus 2AX, or 2C square is equal to 2AX. We can cancel 2 on both the sides, or we can write this as X is equal to C square divided by A. Let this be equation 3. Now from equations 1 and 3 we get P square is equal to C square minus X is C square divided by A. So X square would become C square divided by A whole square. Or this is equal to C square minus C to the power 4 divided by A square. But we know that in the right angled triangle ABC, A square is equal to B square plus c square according to Pythagoras theorem. So we can write this equation as p square is equal to c square minus c to the power 4 divided by b square plus c square, or p square is equal to c square b square plus c square minus c to the power 4 divided by b square plus c square. Now we can take c square common on the right hand side. So c square b square plus c square minus c square divided by b square plus c square. So plus c square minus c square cancels. This is equal to b square c square divided by b square plus c square. Or we can write this as 1 over p square is equal to b square plus c square divided by b square c square. That is equal to 1 over p square is equal to b square divided by b square c square plus c square divided by b square c square. C square cancels, b square cancels. So that implies 1 over p square is equal to 1 over b square plus 1 over c square. Proved. Now we can also prove this using a second method. In the right angled triangle ABC, we know that a square is equal to b square plus c square as per Pythagoras theorem. Let us name this equation 1. Now the area of a triangle is given by half base into height. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC multiplied by AD, which is equal to half AP. Now the area of the same triangle can also be written as half into AC multiplied by AB, which is equal to half AC is B and AB is C. So that means half AP is equal to half BC. So AP is equal to BC, which implies A is equal to BC divided by P. Let this be equation 2. So from 1 and 2, we can substitute the value of A and write the equation 1 as BC divided by P whole square is equal to B square plus C square, or B square C square divided by P square is equal to B square plus C square, which means 1 over P square, if we divide both sides by P square C square, is equal to B square plus C square divided by B square C square. That implies 1 over P square is equal to B square divided by B square C square plus C square divided by B square C square. B square cancels, C square cancels. That implies 1 over P square is equal to 1 over C square plus 1 over B square. And that's proved. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.